Hey, hey, hey! This is Lynn Kelly. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am taking part in a Valentine Tablescape collaboration. It is hosted by Joan Brodie. I had a lot of fun with this collaboration. I moved our little round two-seater table out of the dining room and put a 4-foot long folding table in there. So, are you ready? Let's go check it out.
Okay, here we are with our Valentine Tablescape all set up and ready to show you. So I went with things that I already had. The only things I bought were the white plates and the white mugs. The Be Mine, the Hot Stuff, You Are Cute, and the You Rock hearts were all strung together with a ribbon. My friend Maria Cisneros Tots, she's also a YouTuber, she gave those to me because she didn't need them, and they came in handy for this project. Also, on the centerpiece, the XO, there's 4 of them, XOXO, they were also strung together with a ribbon, and I took them apart. Here are the paper napkins that I put in each cup, and then a paper rose, and then I put one of those already made roses with the little rhinestone in the middle of that rose, purple. And then I don't know, what do you think? Would this tablescape look better without these candles here? Tell me what you think. I'm wondering if I did too much. Does that look better? I am thinking perhaps it does, so let me leave that off the table. Move it out. These chairs are from our patio. The table is a 4-foot long folding table. I moved our little round table for 2 out of the dining room for this tablescape. Okay, so for the centerpiece, this arrangement was from my niece's wedding shower. It was a centerpiece, and I got to take it home with me. Now, this is the twinkle light. Okay, turn it off and on. And I just am hiding it. There it is without the twinkle lights on. And then I'm hiding it in between 2 roses. And there. Just putting it in there so you don't notice. Okay, and then I have it inside this gold bowl that I used for my Chinese New Year tablescape. And then I stuck these little flower bunches underneath, stuck them under there, and maybe it looks better without it. What do you think? Did I go overboard? Perhaps I did, but you can kind of get away with that for Valentine's Day, I think. I added more of the paper roses, and if you want to know how to make those, I show how to do it in my Chinese New Year tablescape. I did a demonstration in fast motion. Now for the twinkle lights down below, which are around a brass bowl, I turned it upside down to set the bowl on it. I hid the on-off switch underneath this heart so that you don't see it. that's pretty much it. Oh, I put a flower rose in each wine glass, and then I tied a bow at the bottom of the stem, and then I used paper doilies, which I already had. I had so much stuff in my stash. Oh, I almost forgot to mention the tablecloth. Okay, for the bottom layer, this is from an old drape from our Highland house, and it is reversible, so I used the gold side in there. I think it looks great. And then for the purple, this is a throw blanket with long fringe, and I thought it looked great on top of the gold layer. So that is what I used for my tablecloth. I love it. You gotta use what you have.
Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my tablescape, and I hope it gave you some good ideas for your own Valentine table setting. I want to thank our host again, Joan Brodie, for hosting this collaboration. Be sure you check out her channel and go to the playlist to check out everybody else's tablescapes. And if you have, if the playlist doesn't work, hit the hashtag, and that will bring up all of the other videos so you can check them out. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I hope your week is filled with love and joy and lots of creative fun. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon to receive future notifications. Hit it twice so that the notifications will come to you. Thank you again. I am Lynn Kelly, signing off. Bye.